Hello, Komal.
Good evening, sir.
So, Komal, first of all, congratulations for clearing prelims.
Thank you, sir. Sir, it's just a note of gratitude from my side to Bookstava. Because I have watched your lectures. I did not know that you provide paid courses. Earlier, I thought it's just a YouTube channel, and the modern history videos that I watched, they were very, very useful because I was a newcomer and I'm from science background, and I had not taken any foundational course also. Modern history I have watched on repeat. Like I have watched modern history several times. So the modern history course was immensely helpful, and when from there only from your channel I came to know that you have an app also. Then I joined the I joined the app and I downloaded the PDFs. So they were very helpful, especially the prelims booster notes that you provide. For the modern history, you have provided short notes for social religious reform movements and all. So that I referred, they were very, very helpful, sir. And apart from that, there are some videos of polity also on the app. Yes,
Hmm.
where you have explained fundamental rights and some concepts. So they were also very helpful, sir. And actually, I had completed my economy and ancient history, etc. earlier only. But then later you launched videos for these subjects also, and I watched these videos also. Peripheral look I took, so they were also very good videos. So it's not an over exaggeration. But if I would have known this channel earlier, then instead of referring, in my opinion, I don't think I would need the standard books also, either Spectrum or Lakshmikant. I would have just watched your videos, referred to the notes, and I think I would be sorted for the, at least for the prelims part, I would be sorted. I would really like to appreciate you for the immense hard work that you're doing, and the fees is nothing compared to the level of hard work that you're putting into the courses.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your kind words. And how is your preparation going on right now?
Sir, I would say that it is not full fledged yet.
What Bookstava is offering is that we are basically providing you a kind of mentorship, जहाँ पर हम
Right.
आपकी जो आंसर राइटिंग है उसको बेसिकली थोड़ा बेटर करने की कोशिश करेंगे.
Sir, I had watched your videos of topper talk sessions. You have uploaded, I think, 2 or 3 videos of previous year toppers where you have interacted with the toppers, and through there only I came to know about that you provide personalized mentorship to the students and you check the answers yourself only. Yes, sir. So I'm aware of this thing, sir.
So, कैसी तैयारी चल रही है?
तो आपने जो बताया ना जीएस 1 में, जो मैंने थ्रू आउट लिखा है, क्योंकि जीएस 1 में आई थिंक मैंने मैक्सिमम एक सेशन मिस किया था, तो उससे मुझे जो फीडबैक मिला, उसी फीडबैक को मैंने इंटीग्रेट करके एफएलटी लिखा था। तो वो जो आपके रिव्यू से मैंने वो सब जब डाला ना, तो वो बहुत अच्छे रिव्यूज आए मुझे उधर से, क्योंकि थर्ड पर्सन का भी व्यू मिल गया मुझे, आपका तो था ही। तो जब मैंने आपका रिव्यू और अपना मिला के जब इम्प्लीमेंटेड है, तो थर्ड पर्सन रिव्यू बहुत अच्छा था, तो मुझे लगा कि बहुत ही हेल्प किया है। इसलिए मुझे थोड़ा रिग्रेट हो रहा था कि जीएस 2 मेरा
नहीं
रह जाएगा, क्योंकि रिव्यू तो मिलेगा नहीं।
नहीं, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. तो आप GS 3 को करो, ठीक है, और GS 2 को हम लोग वापस बाद में करेंगे, ठीक है. वी हैव टाइम
ठीक है।
बिकॉज हमारा जो प्रोग्राम है वो तो 3rd of September में खत्म हो जाएगा ना. ठीक है, थर्ड अभी ये वाला जो प्रोग्राम है 3rd of September में खत्म हो जाएगा. ठीक है, जब भी आप रेडी हो तो हम लोग GS 2 को वापस से इवेल्युएट करेंगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ठीक है, तो आप अभी
ठीक
बाकी
है।
चीजों पे फोकस करो. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस कोमल.
थैंक यू सर।
आपने ग्रेजुएशन कहाँ से किया है?
सर, हंसराज कॉलेज से, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी।
ओके. तो वहाँ के कुछ एलुमनाइज ऐसे होंगे जो काफ़ी फेमस पर्सनालिटीज़ हों, तो उसके बारे में भी आप थोड़ी सी इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर कर लीजिएगा, है
Okay,
ना.
sir. Actually, I was asking because you had mentioned that I have to prepare notes on the burning issues. So, sir, burning issues, भी तो there have been different issues since past 1 year, for the past 2 years, or for the past 6 months. So that's
हम्म.
why I was asking.
एंड देन विल मेक अ लिस्ट एंड विल शेयर विद यू कि कौन कौन सी टॉपिक्स को आपको स्टार्ट कर लेना है उसमें. एंड वेरी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज रिलेटेड टू द फेमस पर्सनालिटीज.
Yes, sir. He said that you have done your graduation from Hansraj College and your
हाँ.
post graduation from IIT Delhi. So tell me some famous personalities from there.
हाँ, तो आई
So
थिंक हम लोगों ने इनिशियली इस डिस्कशन में इस चीज़ को रखा भी था, राइट.
yes,
जो हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि कुछ फेमस पर्सनालिटीज़ के बारे में, तो आई थिंक आपने प्रिपेयर किया होगा ये पोर्शन तो.
yes, sir. Sir, actually दो दो prepare करे थे मैंने दोनों से.